So going back to this great technology that we have, I brought Marilyn here for you tonight. She's changed up the song Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend because we've all decided it really is about confidence after all. And so please enjoy Marilyn Monroe, special for you.
Diamonds are great, but they can't beat the mental, 'cause bragging is a girl's best friend. When you leave doubt behind, you could get sentimental, but you've got this beat, this one-way street. As brags get told, you will grow bold, and this message you carry, you'll send. Your powerful presence will showcase confidence, 'cause bragging is a girl's best friend. Courage, confidence. Come on, brag girl, share it with the world. Some say it's absurd that brag is a good word, but bragging is a girl's best friend. One way or two way, this runway's the best way to get in the air. There's room up there. As brags get told, you will grow bold, and this message you carry, you'll send. So stand firm and unfurl and shine like a brag girl, 'cause bragging, yes, I said bragging, I don't mean sagging, no, no, no. 'Cause bragging is a girl's best friend. Brag girl. Wait, what's happening here? Oh, what's going on? What's going on?
Oh, where am I? Oh my goodness. Have I just zoomed into another century? Why am I here? I remember. Oh, this is a clue. Oh, let's see. Maybe it's on this piece of paper here. Oh, grocery list. No. All right, maybe it's farther down. Hold on. I've got it. Why, I remember why I'm here. It's to celebrate Angela Thurman's birthday. And with that, I need to sing you a little birthday song while everyone gets out their birthday cupcakes. And you know what I'm going to sing you, don't you, Angela? You're looking lovely tonight, by the way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Angela Thurman. You're an amazing woman, you. Happy birthday to you. Now, everybody wave your swag. Wave your swag, everyone, while we go back. Wait, help. I'm being summoned back to the great beyond Hollywood. Oh.